Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Onyinye Ude, and if today is your first time of watching my channel, then you are welcome. Thank you so much for everything, for your support, for viewing my videos, for subscribing. May the Lord bless you all. And if today is your first time, please kindly subscribe before the end of this video. So on today's video, we are going to be making another Akamu pap recipe. You know, I did the detailed how to prepare Akamu. So this is Akamu. It's corn paste. So I made the video how to prepare it, and I said I'm going to be teaching you meals you can prepare with Akamu, this corn paste. So I've already made one, a plain Agidi. We made plain Agidi already. That one you eat it with pepper soup. But this particular one is going to be Agidi JOLLOF. Igbo people, especially in Igbo land, it's called the Agidi JOLLOF. And it's used for snacks, but it is a meal. Okay, you can use it the way you eat your moi moi. That is how you eat it. It's mainly what we are using for our snacks when we are in school. So I'm going to be teaching you how to make Agidi jollof. And jollof means, if you know Nigerian jollof rice, you put the rice inside the stew, tomato sauce, and cook it together. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. It's going to be with tomato paste, and itself is water, so that it will not dissolve quickly. So I'm going to use a small quantity of tomato paste to add that color. Here we have chopped onions, sliced onions. We have our oil for frying our tomato, and I have here salt, seasoning, bouillon, thyme, garlic powder, curry powder. Okay, then we have our bone. Okay, this is ribs. That is what I can find back home. They use fresh bone marrow, the real bone marrow, yellowish like fat bone marrow. That is the main ingredient for Agidi jollof. So because I can't find it, I'm using this ribs. So that is the main ingredient we are going to be using to do our Agidi. So what I'm going to do now is to start cooking the meat. I'm going to pour some water. I'm going to cook it for a long time to get all the nutrients out. Then I have my seasoning and everything here. I have the seasoning, salt and everything, the spices. I'm adding it. Then onions. And I'm stirring it, mix it up together. So I'm going to cover the pot and let this cook properly. Jollof. Agidi jollof is adding your corn paste, dissolved corn paste, plain corn paste. You dissolve it and you add it into a prepared stew. That is what I'm going to do. That is what I'm doing now. So I'm going to add our onions. Going to add the tomato paste. I'm using tomato paste for color and the taste too, mostly for color. Okay, so it has to be red. So I'm using tomato paste to achieve that. I don't want to use a tomato, fresh tomato, because Akamu paste itself can easily dissolve and turn into water. So I believe the tomato paste will help it last longer. So as soon as this is cooked, this is properly fried, then I will add it to the bone marrow. Then we make a beautiful stew for it before dissolving our Akamu. And I'm going to add some fresh pepper and salt. Fresh pepper for some heat. I have the ribs. I've been cooking it for a while now. So look at it. As you can see, it's properly cooked. Look at the yummy, nutritious broth that we have. So now I'm going to add the fried tomatoes to it. That is how you cook, how you prepare your sauce for Agidi. Prepare something like this, small quantity of stew for the color. You taste it before you add your Akamu paste. So look at this color. That is what we want. Now I'm going to cover it and let it cook for a while I dissolve the Akamu. So look at our Akamu. Akamu is corn paste. So what I'm going to do now that the sauce, the stew for it is ready, is to dissolve it. I'm going to add water. Don't make it too watery. A little thick but not too watery, okay? So that you can get the consistency that you want. If you still want to add water while cooking it, then you can add water. So we are going to dissolve it. Then we add it in our stew. Our stew is ready. It's very tasty. I've added enough salt and seasoning so that I will not be adding more when I start cooking the Agidi, because it's going to thicken and it may not be able to mix it properly. Water. Can you see this? It's smooth. It's ready for mixing with the stew. Can you see our stew? It's boiling, which is good. Your water or stew should be boiling when you are doing a Agidi. But as soon as you add it in the water or tomato sauce like this, it will begin to thicken up. So now I'm going to add Akamu, dissolved Akamu, okay, and I will start stirring. So this is it. Start mixing up immediately and lower the heat so that it will not turn into lumps quickly. You see, it's thickening up already. We want a smooth agidi. I'm going to increase the heat right now. Don't leave it, okay? Continue stirring, continue mixing up together, okay, as it thickens. It will help get rid of lumps. Continue stirring until it's clear and stretchy. Then we know it's properly cooked. This is Agidi jollof. It's an Igbo food, Igbo snack. Agidi jollof. Please share this video, comment, subscribe, share. It's delicious. Delicious, perfect. As you can see now, it's stretchy. Look at it. It's very stretchy, and I love this consistency. I love this consistency. You can see our bone. Look at it. This is Agidi jollof. Now I'm going to turn off the stove. See how stretchy it is? See? Like starch. I'm going to turn off the stove right now. Then we can wrap it. I'm going to show you how to wrap it again. I'm wrapping the agidi. So look at it now. You don't allow it to be cold before wrapping it. It has to be hot. So there's a special leaf for it, which I don't have back home. You use a oma leaf. They call it akupu oma leaf or banana leaf. Okay, wilted banana leaf. So this is, I hope you are seeing my hand. So this is how you wrap it. It's very hot. So you wrap it like this. Can you see that? You wrap it. Okay, enjoy it with your bone, with the bone. With the bone. Okay. So meal is a meal. You can make it for your baby when they are ready for solid food. You can make it for them. Write it like this, and you put this one inside. Wrap it up around it. It is so hot. Look at it. Look at our agidi. Yes. Want more Andy? Okay. Do you know that I'm doing a video? Do you know? You want Andy? So this is it. How you wrap it? So this is it. This is it, our agidi. Look at what we have. So look at what we have. Today we made agidi jollof. It's still very hot. It's a snack. mostly eaten in Igbo land. Okay, it's made with corn paste and the tomato sauce. That is why. Share this video, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Now that I have wrapped it, you have to allow it to cool down before unwrapping it and eating it, and I'm going to be showing you that. So can you see?
Yeah.
So can you see what we made today?
Yes.
Yes. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So this is Agidi jollof that we made today. Okay. This is Agidi jollof.
What, mommy?
That we made today. It's very tasty. It's made from a corn paste. Can you see the bone, the ribs? Okay, we use bone marrow too. That is the main thing we use for it. Bone marrow, but I can't find bone marrow, so I use the ribs. So this is delicious, made from corn paste. We are coming to the end of our video. Please subscribe, share this video, comment, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Bye, and God bless you all. Take care.